Welcome back to our series on What Would Your Blender Ask? Coaching wisdom from your kitchen, where we're using common kitchen items as metaphors for coaching questions that you should be asking yourself about work and life. And I'm embarrassed to admit that I keep this with me everywhere. This is Sweet and Low. This is an artificial sweetener. And while I like artificial sweeteners in my coffee or my iced tea, please don't at me. In the rest of my life, I do not like being artificial. I hope you know that about me. And so one of the questions I have for you is, in what part of your work or life are you faking it, right? Do you feel like your authentic self can't really show up? And I want you to think about what you might be faking, where you're showing up a little bit phony or not authentic. Why? Because if you're doing that, there's probably a really good reason for it. And what is one thing you could do to get a little closer to your true authentic self? I hope you've enjoyed these videos. Please go back on the playlist and check out what you haven't seen so far. There may be more to come, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and I need to rest. That was a bread pun. I don't know how great it was. Let me know what else you wanna hear. Thanks, friends.